AES alarms as a reaction. And I'm here. I have this blanket because it just turned spring where we live today. And also, it's freezing out. It is freezing here in my room. So I have this blanket on. But other than that, okay, also my feet hurt, so I probably won't be standing. Alright, restart it. Let's go. Rating EAS alarms. 40 minutes. No, let's not do this one. This is 40 minutes. Dude. 2/3 of an hour. We're not doing this. Do a different one. This one's 40 minutes. 40 minutes.
I guess
Go to mine. Go to mine. Go to mine. I have one that I found.
I guess I'll make you the host now. Just you can find a better video.
Right, everybody, we're looking for EAS alarm. Alright, let's go. Ooh, wow, this is so scary. No, this is just an intro. Presents.
This is the real ones only, so this is gonna be actually good since you don't get the fake ones.
Oh, that's scary, but I've heard it. It's in our area. This is what we know. Oh, say, can you please? Yeah, this one isn't scary. Like 1 out of 10. Actually, kind of like that. I could jam to this. Bro, that's not scary. That's a phone ringing.
Okay, oh my god.
Oh, that's scary.
That's pretty scary.
I mean, but the one before was like a phone ringing.
This one is like scarier than this one actually has a beat to it. Can you feel the beat? Oh no. Dude, if you hear this at 3 a.m., what if you imagine if you hear this at 3 a.m.?
Tell me something comes out from behind my closet.
Just imagine if you hear that at 3 a.m. That would be scary.
And see a monster coming out of your closet, bro.
Also, sorry for the background noise in the video.
No, yeah, we can keep that. My legs hurt, dude. We can keep the background. No, talk.
So this one is the modern one. This one is the one to this day.
What does Iron Dome mean?
I don't know what Iron Dome means, but
Maybe during the Iron Dome, whatever the
I
Iron Dome
absolutely
is.
don't know what Iron Dome means.
Maybe it's in the Iron
Can
Dome.
someone in the comments tell us
Maybe
what
it's
Iron
the
Dome means?
along the place if you're in the
Someone tell
Iron
us what
Dome.
Iron Dome means in the comments.
If you're from Israel, tell us what an Iron Dome is. Organ donor. It means organ donor. No, I don't.
This sounds like, oh my gosh, the Gulf War one sounded like
Nice.
an opening, like an opening, like a show opening. This one,
Dude, I got this
scary.
bad
This one is like the
itch.
modern one. This one is.
That's space light. No, New Zealand's living in the future. Okay, dude. So wait, I think I have a good idea for the rest of the video, okay? So you know how I said my legs were hurting? Bro, so I have all the viewers. Y'all know how I said my legs were hurting? Like badly? If I go on the floor, if I go on, I'm rearranging, moving my cord. I need to keep my thing plugged in. Bro, No, bro, no. Bro's using WhatsApp.
You're the host. You have to play the video.
Wait a minute. Guys, sorry, technical difficulties. Just tell something to the viewers that'll entertain them for a second. While I'm doing this.
Alright, so, I don't know what to say here.
A guy walks into a bar.
I'm just filming myself every now and then so that you guys don't hear the background noises.
A guy walks into a bar. Ouch. Alright, we're ready.
This one has a beat to it. Oh man, son. So this is the regular, like always. This is the regular one. Just the basic average ASMR. This one also has a beat to it. Why is there like many countries? Alright, no, this one is actually really scary. This was a tsunami alarm.
If you know me, sometimes I make this noise. Sometimes I make this noise.
Now this one, I was in Michigan for summer vacation.
Alerta sísmica.
I have never heard this.
Alerta sísmica.
I have heard this. I know about this alarm. This alarm is real.
This one makes my horns
Alerta sísmica. Alerta sísmica.
I was literally just scared.
This one makes my horns feel wacky.
It's literally just a team beep.
Team beep.
Be like.
Team beep be like.
That sounds like a train horn. But this one is actually real. Sounds like a train horn. Someone was probably recording like 10 feet. This one also sounds like a train horn. It probably sounds like a normal one with high pitch. But this one is in a completely different country, but it's the same. Okay, now for you guys to get it fake, actually real. Same as this one. This one is also real. Also, I've seen all those videos about you must eat the nuggies and so on.
10、9、8、
It's just a countdown.
7、6、5、4、3、2、1。
Countdown when an earthquake happens. Like this one is. I mean, sadly, the original, the Germany one that people think are real, it's not real, and this is the real one. But this one is also real, not the fake one, not the fake glitch one. This one is the higher quality version of the Brazilian alarm, was used at a dam failure. And no, not the B word.
These things are making my horns feel
The
weird.
dam failure that caused the flood. That's what it was used. I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to rate this one.
It's mid here. It's mid. It's mid, bro. Mid. Sticking out the yacht for a river.
Alright, this one is really scary. Like, I heard this. This is way scarier than the other one. Okay, at the beginning it was scary because it was so far away. Alright, this one is real. But I'm pretty sure you all heard the loud one. That one is kind of, this one is real. But the main part is that they made it louder so it would be loud. Now this one was a TV alert.
This is a poem. This is just a poem.
It's just on TV.
This is just a poem.
I don't know how to rate this one.
This one isn't too bad. I could live with this.
Why is it silent so long? When is it gonna end? Really, when is it gonna end? Okay, there you go. That was it.
That's fine.
This one is probably used in 2022 when the Russia-Ukraine war was happening.
Dude, you know that war is still happening, right?
Yeah, it's still happening. I wish they could just create peace.
Yeah, but they can't because Putin's an idiot. Putin's a Putin.
This one was like,
This
this
one
one
is
is also, this one is real. There's also a TV version of this, which they're probably not gonna show.
Who would to kiss me? Who would kiss me? Who would kiss me on my mask mouth? Who would kiss me on my mask? Looking for a friend, by the way. Also, please nobody just call me yes. Please, if you do, I will cry. Don't do that. Don't even call them to you. No way. No way. Yeah.
Okay. This one is like, this one is kind of loud. Also, probably a bit glitch. Oh no, it's just not good. That's just part of their ES alarm. Yeah, this is part of the ES alarm. But they're just stopping and going at a higher, and stopping at a higher octane every time. They're really stopping at a higher octane.
By the way, guys, he's not in
No, this one
music.
is actually
He's not
the
in.
one.
He doesn't know anything about music. He doesn't know what an octave is. And also, G major isn't a color. It's a note. I could play a G major.
Yeah, it's a no. Okay, yeah, that old one was also played at an elementary school. All the kids got scared. This was the current one. It is still equally scary.
Sometimes it does get scary.
I think that's all. Okay, that's all.
Alright.
Alright, so
Okay,
So
guys.
Hector's Productions. Are we gonna do part 2? Should we do part 2?
No, I think we'll do another video. I have another video that I'm about to do, actually.
Okay, so credits to Hector's Productions for the EA Salon video, and this is us signing out. Thanks for watching.
I'm going to aggressively fart on you in C-Ball.